It's Friday. We're back at Albertsons. Not a whole lot of $5 Friday special deals, but we're gonna go shopping anyway. Come on, let's go.
I think we found our first $5 Friday deal that we're going to get. It is, yes, it's $5 Friday. It is the $5 for the Boston cream cake, but Darren found something. That is not all. What did you find?
In the cart.
Oh yeah, so we're definitely gonna get the Boston cream cake because that is actually my favorite. But then we spotted there's a lemon and it is normally $15. They've got it on sale for $5. So yeah, so we're getting both. Do we need 2 cakes? No.
Never.
Are we getting 2 cakes?
Bet your bippy.
Yes, bet your bippy. Absolutely. First thing in the cart, what did we get?
Organic half and half.
Okay, in the cart. Although I don't think that's on sale, but we're getting it anyway. We're gonna get some sour cream because we're doing tacos tonight. What size is that?
It is 24 ounces.
Okay, so 24 ounces for $3.29. In the cart.
Here we go.
Remember last week I showed restraint and I did not get the Oreos, but they are on sale now for $3.49. So we're gonna get the double stuff. And we're getting 2 packages. I think Darren is an enabler. Darren has found that the lemon flavored Oreos are also on sale. $3.49. So I offered to put 1 Oreo back and get 1 package of Oreo and just 1 lemon. And he said, no, we'll just get 1 more. So we're getting 2 regular of the double stuff and 1 lemon because I do not see that there's a limit. So anyway, all right, we're getting that.
We're good.
We're good. To show you this, they have orange cream soda, the Coca-Cola, 2 for $4. I am not gonna get this, but this looks really good. Okay, I am gonna get sprinkles. I'm gonna get these because I want to make the spritz cookies. And it looks naked without the sprinkles, but these are on sale. These are 2 ounces for $1.87.
Or
that Darren found
you can get
these
7 ounces.
And that is, what is that, $2.99?
$2.99.
Okay, so $2.99 for 7 ounces. So we're gonna get that one, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you see a pattern forming in today's shopping trip? I think it's all okay. We got to get better about this. But yes, I am stockpiling this because when I make the spritz cookies, I want the sprinkles on hand. Okay. Yeah, we definitely do. Okay, so we are getting some bell peppers. I'm going to be making a vegan stir fry. And so I'm going to be getting that for that recipe. I'm also going to be getting some zucchinis for that recipe also. It's going to be good. And we're picking up some organic garlic. It's $1.99 for 3 bulbs.
Check.
Darren found actually a really pretty basket of, I guess they're potted plants. How much were they? $56, I think.
$54.99.
Okay, that's
We're not getting these.
we're not. We are not. But they are pretty. So this is a shot of our cart. So far we have 3 bags of cookies, 2 pies, sour cream, salsa and sprinkles, and our healthy, what are these, bell peppers? We have some garlic.
We got organic garlic though.
We've got organic garlic. So anyway, so
Organic half and half.
that's true. And the organic half and half. So I see a theme happening.
There's a balance.
There's a balance. I see a theme. How did you think that shopping trip went?
Oh, I'm looking at gaining about 6 pounds.
Yes, our bill was about $46. We did get 2 packs of Girl Scout cookies. So those were $6 each. So I would say that was pretty good. Probably not our healthiest pickup, but it was pretty fun.
Yeah, I'm going to say that there's at least a couple of pounds each that we're going to put on. But
Yeah,
we'll work it off.
we will. Anyway, thank you for coming along with us on this shopping trip. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we had fun. And please like and subscribe. It will really help out our channel. And until next time, we'll see you then.
Bye.